what we will do in this, let me connect the hypervisor first. We have installed, we have deployed one operating system earlier, right? On hypervisor, which was this one, Win2K19. Let me power it on.
And we installed operating system 2022, I think.
29. So sorry,
2019. Okay.
no, it's 19. 2019.
Okay, 2019.
That was Windows Server 2019.
Okay.
So in this, what we have to do, we have to install a VDA agent on this machine, right? So
Okay.
first, what we have to do, we have to put that machine into our domain. So let's join this machine into the domain first. Oh, I have already done it. Okay. So
Okay.
I have joined this machine into my domain, which is techmtech.com. Okay. So now
Yeah.
what we have to do on the same machine, we have to install VDA agent, and for the same ISO file will require, that is Citrix virtual apps and desktop. Okay. So let me mount it from here.
Okay.
And again, here is our ISO media. Let's open it, run it. So now again it will ask what you want to do. Like as I told you, we have to deploy both the things, like application and desktop. So let me do one thing first. It's standard 55. Let me take a RDP of this machine because I have to maximize again and again. So it's 192.168.10.55. So here is our machine. I have taken the remote session, that is RDP, okay. But we have logged in with administrator account, right?
Yeah.
So we have to sign out from here and we have to log in into this machine with domain user account, domain admin. So again,
Okay.
hmm, just give me a moment. I'm just logged in.
Okay.
So we have logged in now, right? With
Yeah.
domain administrator. Okay, so now same we have to do. What we have to launch the ISO media. Now again it will ask the same thing. As I told you, we have to publish both the things like application and desktop. So second option. If you want to create a separate server for applications only, so you can do that with the first option, right?
Okay, yeah.
So now it is asking like, what do you want to do? Like if you want to configure this as a delivery controller, you can select this option. But in our case, what we are going to do, we are going to deploy virtual delivery agent for Windows multi-session OS. Means as we are using the server operating system, that is the only reason why it is saying that it's a multi-session OS. So server operating system is always a multi-session OS. Why? Because multiple users can log in to the Windows Server editions at at the same time, right?
Okay.
So let me click on this. So that is the only benefits of the servers. Like you can run multiple parallel sessions at a time with
Okay.
different usernames. So now it is asking like what you want to do. So as we are going to configure this as a master image, and we have second option. If we are using Citrix provisioning services or any third-party tools, we can select that option as well. Or if you want to install that VGA agent on physical or virtual server, you can do that this by third option, right? So here we are going with the first one. Why?
Okay.
Because we are working on MCS only right now. No provisioning or any other services so far.
Okay.
So simply click on next. So now this is a prerequisite like virtual delivery agent is required. Addition, we have Citrix Workspace app as well. If you want to deploy, you can deploy. But if not required, you can skip this. Okay. So we are not requiring this Citrix Workspace app. Simply click on next.
Okay.
These are the few things like we can optimize this for Outlook and for Windows as well. But we will go with the default one like Citrix Profile Management and Citrix Support and Citrix Profile Management, that is Windows Management Tools. Okay, WMI plugins. Simply click on next.
Okay.
Now it is asking, as I told you, VDA agent is a client which is responsible for communication in between physical or virtual machine to the delivery controller, right? So now it is asking for the delivery controller address, right? So in our case, either you can enter the IP address or the host name. So I'm going to enter the host name. In my case, it's ddc dot
Okay.
techmtech.com. So that is my DDC address. Click on test connection. Connection is fine. Click on add. So we have added one delivery controller here. If you are having more than one delivery controller, you can add multiple delivery controllers, right? So for the
Okay.
same, you have to enter the controller address, then test connection, then after you can add as many you want. Okay.
Okay.
Simply click on next. Now it is asking for some features like Windows Remote Assistant and real-time audio. So those are not requiring for us right now in test lab. Okay. So again, as I told you, these are the port numbers, very, very important. 1494 is default port. Those port numbers I will share the document to you. Please
Okay. Okay.
remember all those.
Okay.
So these are the prerequisites. As usual, .NET 4.8 required and core component will be VDA agent, and this will be our delivery controller. Okay.
Okay.
And that is the path for the installation directory. Simply click on install.
Yeah. Okay.
So as usual, it will take a reboot after .NET framework installation, right? So let's wait for it.
Okay.
So this installation is not lengthy actually. because we are just installing a application, that is VDA agent, and these are the prerequisites to install this application.
Yes, okay.
So today is your working day or off?
Today, I'm already done for the day actually. It's evening time for me. It's almost 10:30 now in the night.
Okay.
Tomorrow again, the working day is there.
So you are regularly working from office,
Uh,
or I mean, occasionally
most,
you have to be it.
most of the time I have to go there
Okay.
because I have to see the network issues and the computers issues, the components, the connections, everything. I have to application on the desktop for the clients. Most of the sales team is there, but most of the HR team and other teams or their accounting team, they are working from home.
Okay.
Yeah.
And your infra is right now, it is physical or all virtual?
So most of the things are physical, actually, not virtual.
Okay, means still
It's
you are having those desktops, right?
yeah, desktops are there, and
Desktops or thin clients or whatever the hardware
yeah,
you are using.
yeah, it's there. But I mean, since the company is very small and all, I mean, I'm just trying to change it.
Mm-hmm.
Everything, the new job plus new technology with virtual technology. If you have some good technology skill set, then you can get the better position, better pay rate.
So you have got the citizenship for Canada, or still you are having it from India only?
Uh, I didn't get the citizenship yet. I'm on PR now here.
Okay. And what
Yeah.
are the requirements to get citizenship for Canada? Means some prerequisites
Uh,
should be there, no?
you need to have at least you should be in Canada for at least 5 years. After that, you can apply. I'm already eligible to apply for the citizenship now.
Okay.
So most probably I'll do it very soon. citizenship.
Mhm. So, is there any plan for you to move to India, or you are good with Canada only?
All depends actually, how the kids are doing
Mm-hmm.
and how is my health and all. I mean, I plan sometimes to go back to India and stay there in my olden age.
Mm-hmm.
Thing is that the winter here is very extreme. You get -25,
Yeah.
-30. You don't go out much. The street conditions, weather condition, everything is bad for 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the reason. So I think, but not yet planned so far.
Okay.
Let's see how will be the future. But you don't know about anything about future, right? So you plan something, it happens something.
So, how old your kids are actually?
My kids are almost 13 years, 14 years. There are two kids.
Okay.
Yeah, they are in high school.
Mm-hmm.
The high school starts from grade 8 to grade 12.
Okay. And they born in Canada only, or they born in India actually?
No, they born in Canada.
Both.
Yeah, both.
Okay. Great. Actually, we have got prompt to reboot, and I just rebooted the machine. And after that, what
Okay.
we have to do, we have to log in with the same user account from which we have initiated the installation.
Okay.
Hmm, What it is asking now? Locate the virtual installation media. Oh, why it's unmounted? Mhm. Why? I think something went wrong actually. It's not showing the ISO media. So let me check it from here. Okay, let's reboot it again. Actually, our ISO media is mounted, but it's not showing this. Okay, this time this is showing now.
Okay.
There might be some issue at the time of .NET installation. No worries.
Yeah, possibly. That's why it was taking a long time. I believe .NET finishes very fast, I believe, sometimes.
Yes. So now let me check. Okay, I think that process is also terminated, right? Just because of force reboot. Okay. So now what we have to do, as we have already just configured the .NET only, okay? So we can reinitiate the installation.
Okay.
Okay, so options will be the same. I think it's already picked up by the setup, like where we left, right?
Okay.
At this stage. So it will
Yeah.
continue from here only.
Okay.
Okay, as we are having only 1 minute remaining, so what I'm doing, I'm disconnecting this and I am sharing a new invite to you, okay? In a
New
minute.
invite. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
buddy.
Thank you.